Hello, this is our 10.4-inch sunlight readable LED kits. This kit comes with one of the 10.4-inch displays, already upgraded to our SP series LED kits, and then inverter wire harness, LED driver, screen wire harness, keyboard wire harness, 5-button keyboard, and controller board that has a HDMI and VGA board. You also have option to choose that if you need your application needs HDMI. This is different boards. Okay. So let's take a look at this sunlight readable and measure the nits. 1764, 1768, 1762. So we list this model as a 1500 nits, so it does meets our statement specs. Thank you for watching.